Hey guys, it's Marcus from Diecast World, and today we'll be pack hunting in Smyths. So stay tuned and let's start it. I just go for the always the Hot Wheels sections, and nice surprise. There is new set, so you can see there's a lot of Porsche from this set. So we got the new set from Hot Wheels. You can see them. So we got 5 cars. So the first one is hands in just off. It looks really nice. I just finished work, so I'm happy to show you this one, second one. It's Porsche 911. Number 3, so yeah, number 3 is Acura NSX. Very nice. Next one, of course, McLaren P1. And finally, for Mustang Shelby GT 500. Disgusting. It's really nice. Look at these details as well. Very nice cars. And the price $299 just. So very there's a lot of Porsche you can see on the pack as well. There is fresh delivery, so another things what I'm big fan. You can see the full Star Wars set. So we have all characters. We got the Boba Fett, Luke Skywalker, like a Jedi, Han Solo, the Mandalorian, Bo-Katan, of course, Chewbacca, and Darth Vader. There is one more car, but we cannot find them right now. I don't see the Grogu on the pack, so this one is only missing. But if you see on the pack, there is still a lot of training cars from Hyper Hours. There is full set as well, and we got the series from the Batman as well. So, and Superman with Batman. So a lot nice cars. Of course, Mario Kart. And what else? Standard, the monster truck. I need to tell you guys, today I just buy the Mario Kart truck. They be available to buy in the store, so I just order in home delivery. So tomorrow I should receive them, so I'm very excited to finally Mario Kart the Rainbow Road from Hot Wheels. We can start doing the race, so very fun. Some 5 packs. There is the new color reveal, so the flames, it's really a lot. Some 9 packs and standard Hot Wheels from 2022. So let's have a look what we can find on the pack. Not too many, but still. Volkswagen Beetle with disgusting. I preferred this one last year, Valentine. Maybe not something special, but this one looks more better. There's anything else? You can find maybe any treasure hunt. No. Some Cosmos. Nothing. Sorry, nothing number one. Just some Cosmos left, so nothing special. But this Star Wars set, I really like it. The Batman set, the Dark Knight. Probably you see this Star Wars set on my video for the shorts, but now it's more video as well for the trucks. Got some of them, so beautiful. The Batman set, the full set. Five cars. I will show you these cars right now. So Dodge Charger, the Dark Knight, Batmobile, TV series, Batmobile, and Batplane. It's really nice. It's everything right now. I'm very excited to this Star Wars set and this new set with the Hot Wheels for 2020, what I showed you before. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely day, evening, night, and see you in next video. Cheers, bye.
Let it go, make my body go. Make our bodies higher and higher.